Alright, thanks for joining me, everybody. So we're going to get into a new side quest today. We're just going to do some maintenance on this customer pay Highlander. So this is a side mission we're doing. We're going to do basically all the fluid, not all of them, but oil, coolant, brake fluid, front differential, rear differential, transfer case, etc. So most if not all the fluids. So yeah. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you hit that like button. Let me know in the comments what you think as we get going here. And yeah, welcome. Okay. Oil change on this thing. So this is the 3.5 liter V6. So for this, you're gonna need oil pan, light, gloves, ratchet, 14 mil, and this is the funkiest oil filter wrench. But this is actually the one you need. Some other ones will suffice, the ones that just have the ring part inside of here. But this is one that fits this. Other than that, just need oil in a funnel, put it in the top, oil filter. Keep in mind you can get the oil filter from Walmart. So this thing takes 0.20, and this is your oil filter, and you're gonna get this from Walmart. Walmart for, I can't remember how much it was, but pretty good. It's OEM Toyota, so it's a winner there. So, do it how you like, but I like to take the oil filter loose first. Pretty straightforward with this tool. And I typically will loosen I take the oil fill cap off up above and pull the dipstick up and out of there as well, so that it'll have some breathing capabilities. And you can just take that out technically, and it will drain the oil, but I don't generally mess with it. Don't mind. Get my hands a little dirty. If you just tilt it a little bit, it'll run down one side. Make a little mess, but it'll be alright. Woo! And it's slipping in my hand. And there's the old oil filter element there. You're just gonna pull that sucker out of there. And then you're gonna replace this O-ring as well when it comes time. Make sure you, of course, clean all this up real good. And this is why I wear gloves. Otherwise that would have been all over my hands. It's not good for you. Okie dokie. I'll just wipe it off up here, make sure everything's clean. We're going back together at. Get the cap off real good. Okay, all cleaned up, ready to rock and roll. I just need to get this out of here. So if you take and squish it together, you can grab it. So you take and squish it, and then you can grab it off of there. And just use the flat part right there, slide it off. Anyway. So I'll lubricate the O-ring a bit there. Down here, slide it down. Find that spot. Voila. New filter. Voila. Good to go. Just put it back in here for a moment. And we're ready. Okay, I'm gonna put the filter in the back, filter back in. Jeez, I can talk. What I'm gonna do is take this sucker and put that right in. Pretty much just snug it up. There you go. It's tight. And then just check everything nasties around it. Get those. That filtration unit done.